Okay, let me start with the introduction. Hey, my name is Samson. I'm the guy behind SEYFR, and on this call, I'm here with my friends Sam and Angela. Angela is remote from Uganda, and Sam is here in the United States with me, but we are gonna be testing SEYFR on different platforms. So our first take is going to be um, Angela, who has an iPhone, and Sam, who has an iPhone. They are going to be exchanging files. So that's going to be our first take.
Okay.
Angela, just so they know you're using an iPhone, can you show it?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.
Okay.
So Angela, you're going to send some pictures.
Okay. I'll hit to SEYFR, and then go to send. I'll show you what I'm
You'll
sending.
show us the file.
Okay. So see my layout here. I'm just going to, okay, let me just do this. Okay, so this is it. This is I'm sending this picture.
Awesome.
Right?
A ball in the field, FIFA World Cup.
Field, yes. So I'm just going to get the link, and then I share it.
Recording, right?
Yes, I'm screen recording.
Awesome.
Okay, so just hit here, then photos, get it, copy. Yes. All right, Sam, please check it out.
Okay. Receiving. I pasted that link. There we go.
Awesome.
Get it. Okay.
Good. Thanks, guys.